Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin price corrects downwards. BINANCE temporarily suspends spot trading service. Deutsche Bank stocks plummet. SEC intensifies the war against cryptocurrencies. Tether USDT announces Q1 earnings. ARBITRUM enters top 40 cryptocurrencies within days. COINBASE promises to support pro-crypto candidates in US elections.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Bitcoin price corrects downwards. Bitcoin started the day at around $28,200 following the expiration of Friday's options. After expiration, Bitcoin has corrected its price, currently sitting at around $27,400 at the time of writing this news. After several weeks of significant increases, a strong corrective price movement would not be surprising. Yesterday was marked by issues at BINANCE, which had to suspend spot trading, or bad news that emerged regarding further banking sector problems, in this case with Deutsche Bank. But we will develop these news items below. For these reasons, it will be important to pay attention to developments in the coming days. BINANCE temporarily suspends spot trading service. Cryptocurrency exchange BINANCE announced a suspension of spot trading operations. According to CEO Changpeng Zhao, initial analysis revealed that the engine had an error in a mobile stop order. He added that deposits in trading were temporarily suspended as a standard procedure while they investigate the issue. After a wait of between 60 and 120 minutes, everything returned to normal. It should be noted that BINANCE is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume. Deutsche Bank stocks plummet. Deutsche Bank stocks have fallen 8.5% on Friday, but dropped as low as 15% due to concerns over its debt portfolio and shareholder profile. The Qatar Investment Authority is the bank's most significant shareholder, 4.7%, and Credit Suisse, along with Saudi Arabian investors, is its partner. Deutsche Bank has experienced an increase in the cost of credit default swaps CDS on its debt, with the 5-year CDS for subordinate debt spiking above 500 points. Deutsche Bank is reportedly attempting to defend itself against market movements, but a bond buyback worth $1.5 billion has only worsened investor concerns. SEC intensifies the war against cryptocurrencies. The SEC issued a warning to investors about investing in cryptocurrencies due to their volatility and lack of protection. The agency also pointed out the lack of regulation and clarity in the crypto market. Cryptocurrency companies have urged the SEC to provide more clarity on regulation to operate within the law. Meanwhile, El Salvador eliminated technology taxes, making Bitcoin legal tender. But other countries such as the United States and India have imposed heavy taxes on cryptocurrencies. Most countries are working on CBDC, and private cryptocurrencies are something most governments seem to oppose. Tether USDT announces Q1 earnings. Tether USDT announces $700 million earnings in Q1 and surpasses $1 billion in reserves for the first time. The largest stablecoin in the market is pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar and used to protect against price volatility. Tether has been criticized for its lack of financial transparency and evidence of purchasing short-term debt. The company has grown in popularity since the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, which led to the temporary loss of USDC parity from rival Circle. Tether is gearing up for market instability like the SVB crisis. ARBITRUM enters top 40 cryptocurrencies within days. ARBITRUM's native token, ARB, has surged in price, placing it among the top 40 most valuable cryptocurrencies after its launch yesterday, before a sell-off tempered the excitement. According to COINBASE, the cryptocurrency ARBITRUM ARB ranks 38th among the most valuable cryptocurrencies, a day after the project distributed its token to Ethereum scaling network users. As of writing, the ARB cryptocurrency was trading at $1.27, a 2.8% drop in 24 hours, having briefly touched a high of $8.76. In the last day, $2.5 billion worth of ARB has been traded. ARBITRUM is a scaling solution for the Ethereum network. aiming to reduce transaction costs and speed up the use of the Ethereum blockchain by settling transactions on a side chain before reporting to the main blockchain. ARBITRUM has become popular among DeFi traders, with roughly $2.11 billion worth of tokens locked in ARBITRUM's smart contracts, according to DeFi Llama. Coinbase promises to support pro-crypto candidates in U.S. elections. Coinbase is supporting pro-crypto candidates in U.S. elections and promises to make donations to those who show sympathy for the industry. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong urged the crypto community to vote for pro-crypto candidates to protect the interests of the industry. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC announced that it would take action against Coinbase, so Armstrong is advocating for the industry. Coinbase asked the Supreme Court to automatically suspend its legal cases in response to the SEC notification. The Supreme Court decision on the Coinbase case is expected by the end of June.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking